All right, so we're back with what I always call a nice kind of quick midweek pasta. I knock these up during the week, you know, when I'm a bit busy. So we've got chicken, bacon, cream sauce, garlic, delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So we have 3 cups there of pasta cooked. Get your pasta ready because we're really going to concentrate on the sauce. I'm using fusilli. You can use any pasta that you want. And then those 4 there, 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 1 cup of onion, 1 cup of bacon, 1 cup of chicken, and 1 cup of cream. Let me just chat about those. Right, the cream. I'm using a thick cooking cream. You can use any cream. A thin cream or a thick cream is going to work out just the same. The chicken is chicken breast, no skin, no bone. My bacon is cut into pieces. There's 4 rashers there basically, and I'm using an unsmoked, but you could use whatever you want. We've got a tablespoon of garlic, 2 teaspoons of oregano. We're gonna start this off with some olive oil. We're gonna add salt and pepper. It's so easy and it's super delicious. Okay, so I've got 3 tablespoons of olive oil there. You can of course use a different oil if you want. I've just put the heat on, we're on slightly above medium. We're gonna get that 1 cup of onion in first, and we're going to go just for 3 minutes. Okay, perfect. Next up, let's get 1 tablespoon of garlic in the mix. Let's get our bacon in there, and let's get our chicken in there. Now my chicken breast, like I say, no skin, no bone. I've cut it, it's fairly chunky actually. You can cut it smaller if you want. Salt, black pepper, and the dried oregano. About 4 minutes now, keep it moving. We're well on our way, as you can see. Fabulous. Now that's good for me. If you want your bacon a bit more sort of crispy, keep going for a bit. Right, we're going to drop in that cream. Now like I say, I'm using this thick cooking cream. If you use thin cream or thick cream, it works out exactly the same. Once the heat goes through this cream, it will thin right out. I'll be back. Keep it moving now for 2 minutes. Okay, now if you want, maybe get a handful of Parmesan cheese in there. You could also put in a few chopped black or green olives. I'm keeping it just like this. We're going to get our pasta, our cooked pasta. In it goes. 3 or 4 more minutes, stirring it around. Let's get as much as that sauce onto that pasta. Delicious, nice and easy. Job done. Super, super easy. I just chopped a little bit of paprika on the top there. But yeah, like I say, adapt it a little bit, you know, maybe get some olives in there or something. Or if you wanted some mushrooms, something like that, beautiful. Nice and easy. Hope you enjoy that. Do the old thumbs up, do the old comment and subscribe and all that stuff. I'll see you soon. Keep safe, keep well, lots of love.